live on Union Street in New Bedford at approximately 10:20 p.m. and the blizzard of 2009. It's been 1 hour and significant snowfall has fallen. As you can see, the streets are now covered. The wind has picked up. And we got snow coming down like a mother right here on WGATTO TV. Cars still seem to be zipping by without a problem. It doesn't look like too treacherous at this point, but I will tell you this. The snow under my feet is very slippery, so I'm sure if I'm wearing sneakers, and the cars also have rubber on their tires, that they're going to be slipping pretty damn good very shortly. It will be some treacherous out here, and I suggest everyone stay off the road, because this is pretty thick and slippery stuff. As you can see, cars are still coming down the street without a problem at this point. And once again, this is 10:25 at night in New Bedford, Massachusetts, where the snow is coming down at a heavy rate.
Skiing snow.
Definitely is skiing snow. That is the maintenance guy, Bob.
Look at it.
Very slippery, right? I can't walk. It's slippery. I'm ready. I'm ice skating out here already. It's gonna be a doozy. And that is the drunk maintenance guy, Bob, at WGATTO TV. Feel the wind. Hear the wind. See the snow. Blizzard of 2009. WGATTO TV. And what is Bob doing in the blizzard? Let's see here. Bob looks like he's cleaning out the thing in the blizzard. Let's walk. See what Bob's doing. What are we doing, Bob?
Well, what do you got that on camera?
Oh yeah.
Oh Jesus Christ, we're gonna put some
We on WGATTO TV.
Oh.
Alright, we gotta melt that ice, right?
The city pays for this, so.
The city pays for that?
Look at it. It's sand and... Oh,
sand.
I got a tool to win.
Now right here, this is some heavy shit. We're gonna wake up in the morning to a lot of stuff, are we not?
18 inches or something.
Man, that ain't nothing. This is New England. Tell him, Bob.
I survived the blizzard of 76, or was it 78? They called for
78. I remember. I was 1 year old, man.
They called for 6 inches. We got 3 feet.
Yeah. Hey, listen. I remember that blizzard. I was only 1 year old. Do you believe I remember back that far? I can't even believe it.
Well, I remember the Hurricane 1954.
I remember getting hit in the head with hail this size during that blizzard, bro.
Yeah.
As a 1 year old kid, man.
It was breaking all the windshields on the car.
Yep. Yep. Oh. I remember that, man. That's my earliest memory as a 1 year old kid.
Well, I remember the Hurricane 1954, and I'm born in 52.
Yeah.
Because of a big oak tree, it took down. Big oak tree, just knocked it down like it was.
Like it was nothing, right? Right, I'm gonna go back in the nice warm house and drink my nice warm beer.
You got one stove, but
yeah, I'll give you a stove. I'm gonna go upstairs. Maintenance guy is doing his work. You gotta love him.
Hey, what
Over and out here at
I wasn't gonna let that dude in the house.
TV. Hi, back live at WGHETTO TV. We're back at the storm of '09. Serious stuff, serious snow falling on the ground right now. People got serious shopping to do. So what are they gonna do? Are they gonna go to the mall on Monday? Are they gonna go to the mall on Tuesday? We don't know. Back with this live report, we got Trayshawn Cavallo in the studio with how people are going to get their Christmas shopping done amongst this big storm of 2009. Trayshawn?
Well, people are going to probably take a cab or fly an airplane. Either or.
Take a cab or fly an airplane, but how about all the grounded and airplane reports that they will not be taking off because due to the snow and the heavy mixture of sleet and hail and icing?
People have to walk.
Exactly. People have to walk now to get their Christmas presents in New Bedford, Massachusetts, where there ain't no stores on the nearest corner. There ain't no Macy's on the corner, because this ain't fucking New York City. It's New Bedford, Massachusetts, and it blows! Back to you, John. Well, hey. Quiet. Casey is falling asleep, people. You need to shut the fuck up. WKT. That ain't my name. WGHETTO TV signing off because Nicole Mercier said so, bitches.